I forecast the weather for the whole base, basically starting with the fighter squadrons because that's who we work with the most. We go over there and we brief them what we're expecting to see for the day during their flying window, so their takeoff, their landing, where they're flying to, and any hazards that they might encounter. As for everybody else, we just give them general weather knowledge as it pertains to their job. So with airfield management, they work right across the hall from us. We will provide them with weather so they can know when they have to go out and do their checks. Same thing with Snowbarn for them to plow the runway and everything. We provide them with the weather so they can do that as effectively as they can, know how many people to send out, things like that.
The weather flight is important because we do a lot more than just, put out the hourly observations. We're responsible for the entire environmental picture.
We're on the hook for everything mud to the sun. We do a hefty amount of space weather stuff. Everybody carries a supercomputer in their pocket, believe it or not, that emits a certain frequency range, and depending on what the sun's doing, can affect your signal for that. And that goes the same for every radio, every other comm system. Even your computers are vulnerable to certain space weather effects. And we do it all. Pretty much any mission set, anytime, any place. Fighters can't go out the door with us getting a phone call to go support them forward wherever they're going to go.
If the Falcons deploy or the Demons deploy, they take us with them to make sure that they're getting real-time weather data wherever they're trying to operate out of. Forecasting for Alaska does not play by any of the same rules of the lower 48, and so our guys show up here from tech school, they've learned all about how to forecast the weather in the lower 48, and they basically have to throw that out the window because of the terrain with all the mountain ranges plays a big role here in Alaska, and they do a fantastic job at it. It's just incredible to watch them come and learn how to do their job as well as they can to make sure that everybody else can do their job safely and smartly.